I don't know if you can see that, but there's a little tiny jet of water coming out of this leak on this 3/4 inch copper line right above the coupling or the pro press. And it's coming over here and spraying on the hot water tank. So I'm going to do my hose clamp and piece of rubber repair until the plumber can come out and do a final repair. There we go. Stop the stream of water. No more stream on there. Now I have time to call out a plumber, and which they probably won't be here till a week out. So there's your spring Tucky redneck repair, but it works.